Hi guys, so this is the first video that I'm filming in 2018. It's crazy that it's already 2018. It feels like literally time flies by so fast. So I thought I would do my December haul. I kind of debated on if I wanted to do this video or not just because I did do a what I got for Christmas video. So I'll link that down below if you want to see it. But I know that you guys really seem to like this video, so I thought I would just throw it in just in case. So yeah, I didn't really buy that much all of December because obviously it was Christmas time, but I did get a few little things that I thought I would just show you guys. So I'm just going to jump right into it. One of the first places that I went to was H&M, and I got this leopard print coat. And yes, I know I have like a million leopard print coats, but I didn't have one that was this creamy beigey color. Most of the ones that I have are like that goldeny like brown color. So I thought this would be really nice, especially for like going out or something with like a black dress. I thought that would be really nice. And I got a furry hat for Christmas that's this kind of whitish beige color, so I thought that would match really nicely. So I was like, okay, now I need to get this jacket. The next thing that I have is actually something that I had my eye on, and it is this black tiered skirt from H&M. I saw this when they first came into the store, but they were literally like $60, and I was like, I don't know if I want to spend $60 on a tiered skirt. But then when I went in, I saw that it was part of the clearance and it was only $30, so I was like, okay, now I need to get it. And I just think it is so beautiful, and I love tiered skirts. I think they look so beautiful, so I'm really happy that I was able to get this. Another thing that I got from H&M is a lavender blouse, and it is similar to the one that I'm currently wearing. I think it was from like the same collection. But anyway, so this one is a lavender color, which I don't own a lot of, and I love the little baby doll kind of ruffles going along the front. I just think it looks so beautiful and like slightly Victorian, but this color is just so interesting, and I don't really have anything like this, so I was like, okay, I need this. And I don't know, I've just been really into these like oversized sleeve kind of shirts like this one. I don't know, I've been really liking this vibe, so I was really happy that I could get this. I also went to Forever 21 and I got this little corduroy cropped little jacket, and I thought this would look really cute with like plaid skirts and stuff like that. This is probably something that I would wear more in the springtime because obviously it's too cold to wear right now, but it was part of the clearance and it was like $11, so I was like, okay, I'll just get it now for the spring. And I don't know, corduroy, I've just been really drawn to corduroy lately, and I don't know, I really liked it, and I didn't really have a cropped like blue jacket like this, so I was like, okay, there we go. As well, from Forever 21, I got this green furry like shawl scarf type thing. This was actually part of my New Year's Eve look, the one with the sequin dress if you guys saw my lookbook. But yeah, you can't really see it that well on camera, but it is like an emerald green. I just think it's like really beautiful, and to be honest, for Forever 21, this is like really nice quality. The faux fur on it is super soft, and it's like really nice and heavy, so I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I have a few things from Romwe. I'll start off with the top, and it is this kind of like peacock feathery type top. It has like these little like fringing all over it. It literally does look like peacock feathers, and it's just like really fun and interesting. And again, it has these like big like puffy sleeves that I've been really into. The only thing that I wish was that the neck of it was a little bit higher. I'm not big on like big huge open necks, but I think it still looks really cute on. Is this pair of pants, and they are these yellow and black plaid pants. You guys probably already saw these on my blog, but I think these are so much fun. You don't really see many pants in this kind of color. It's definitely like a Clueless kind of inspired thing, but in pant version obviously. And I just think it's like really cute. I styled this with like a black top and a yellow beret, so I thought that matched really well. And yeah, I just think it's really fun. It has a nice like boot cut kind of finish at the bottom, so it's more of a straight leg as opposed to it being like skinny. The next thing that I have is a plaid skirt, and this one is a gray and orange and white plaid skirt. I've been really into orange, so this definitely caught my eye. I'm telling you, in the springtime everything's gonna be orange. I'm calling it now. So yeah, I really like this. What I was actually surprised about is when I was trying this on, I was like, oh, this might be a little short, but the lining on the inside is actually shorts, so I really appreciate that it has shorts underneath. I didn't say that on the website, but I mean, maybe I just missed it, but yeah, it was a nice surprise. The last thing from Romwe is a pair of overalls, and these ones are again plaid, and this is like a brown, beige, and blue plaid. And these are again more of a boot cut finish at the bottom, and then it has the straps at the top. Straps on it are actually removable, so if I wanted to just wear it as pants I could, as well as if I want to crisscross the straps in the back I can, which is what I normally do because I don't like it when things like start falling off my arms and stuff. From Metisu, I also got a coat, and this one is kind of like a teal green kind of color, and it does have like a vintage shape to it because it cinches in at the waist and then it just kind of flares out, and I just think it's like so beautiful, and I don't really have anything in this color, so I was so happy to add this to my collection. The next two things you guys probably saw in one of my Vlogmas videos, but I did get this pair of like tiered pearl earrings. I wore these for Christmas. I'm like obsessed with them. I've actually worn them a few times. I just think they're so cute, and yeah, I don't know, I really like them. They kind of add something special to an outfit. The very last thing in this haul is a pair of sunglasses, and these are a cat-eye type sunglasses. I really like that the top of it is kind of like straight as opposed to just like super pointy, because I have a pair like that already, and I just think these are a little bit more flattering, and I don't know, I really like them, so I know I'll be getting a lot of use out of these. But yeah, that is everything that I got throughout the month of December. Like I said, I did do a what I got for Christmas video, so I'll link that down below, as well as my Vlogmas playlist, even though it's probably too late and no one wants to watch Christmas videos anymore. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see from me this year, if you have any special requests or anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!